The flight was routine. Clear skies, calm passengers, then a loud bang. A shudder went through the Airbus. Birds, it had to be birds. I saw them, fleeting shadows against the sun. The smell of jet fuel filled the cockpit. Fear, instinctive and primal, surged. My heart pounded against my ribs. Years of training kicked in. My aircraft, I said, taking control. Jeff, my co-pilot, confirmed, yours. We had a procedure for everything, even this. But time, our most precious commodity, was slipping away. Both engines were gone. We were losing altitude, fast. Options raced through my mind, each riskier than the last. The Hudson River. It was a long shot, a desperate gamble, but it was the only chance we had. I announced to the passengers, brace for impact. The water rushed towards us. I held my breath. The impact was jarring but controlled. We were afloat. Relief washed over me, as potent as the icy water filling the cabin. Evacuation procedures were immediate and orderly. Everyone survived. We were safe. My heart, still pounding, finally began to slow.